Hello. Today we're going to be talking about Table M in the Physical Setting and Chemistry Regions Reference Table, Common Acid and Base Indicators. So, what is an indicator? An indicator is going to be a compound that you put into a solution to determine the pH. Let's go look at a few examples. So, here we have an indicator called methyl orange. Methyl orange has a pH range of 3.2 to 4.4. That means it's going to color change from red to yellow throughout this pH range. So, methyl orange is going to be red at 3.2 and under, and yellow from 4.4 and above. And in between, it's going to color change gradually until it shifts. So, some other examples are bromethymol blue, which is 6 to 7.6, yellow to blue. Phenolphthalein, 8.2 to 10, colorless to pink. Litmus, 5.5 to 8.2, red to blue. Bromcresol green, 3.8 to 5.4. Thymol blue, 8.0 to 9.6, which both go yellow to blue. So, I have a solution, but how do I pick an indicator for that? Well, depends on what's in it. If you know that there is a base in your solution, you're going to want to pick something with a pH range above 7. So, let's look at our choices. We have litmus, which goes above 7 but starts under 7. We have phenolphthalein, which goes from 8.2 to 10, and we have thymol blue, which goes from 8 to 9.6. So, I think if we have a basic solution, we're going to want to go for something that stays farther away from the neutral range, so that would take out litmus. So then we're left with phenolphthalein and thymol blue, which will depend on the solution that you have. If you know you have a very, very basic solution, you might want to go with phenolphthalein, because then when the color change happens, you know it has a pH at 10 and maybe above. So what if I have a neutral solution? Let's see our choices. Well, we have litmus again from 5.5 to 8.2, which has 7 right in that range, or we have bromethymol blue, which goes from yellow to blue from the 6.7 to 6 range. So I believe that bromethymol blue is going to be a better indicator for a neutral solution because it hones in closer on the pH of 7. So you know that when bromethymol blue turns blue, it's going to be at a pH of 7.6 or around there, which is close to a neutral pH. So lastly, for an acidic pH in an acidic solution, you have methyl orange, litmus, and bromcresol green. Once again, litmus might be difficult because litmus goes through an acidic range to neutral to a basic range, which can make it very hard to pinpoint exactly what pH you're at. So you have bromcresol green for your slightly less acidic things, and methyl orange for something slightly more acidic. This will depend on whatever solution you use in class and in lab. So, going over indicators one more time, an indicator is a compound that you put into a solution to determine its pH. You pick an indicator for a solution based off of the approximate pH that you believe the solution to be. And as you adjust your solution, you will find out what exactly your pH is, or a very rough estimate. Thank you. Goodbye.